Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are back with another series. So basically we are going to start like Agentforce hands-on. So what we will do, we will create first Agentforce, and after that we will like create some actions like flow actions, apex actions, and so you can understand that how actually like sub agent, that means topics and actions actually work. Once you are comfortable with like creating topic actions and like getting the data from the Salesforce, and also inserting the record into the Salesforce, then we will create some use cases as well. Like we will develop a complete project of Salesforce Agentforce as well. So today I am going to just create one Agentforce into the Salesforce. Then I will create some Agentforce actions as well, so that you can understand that how actually it is work, right? So this is new org, we have not done much into this one. So first I think I have to enable that one, like Agentforce. I am searching Agentforce, and here we can see that Agentforce agent is available. So I am clicking on that one. Here we can see that Agentforce agent. So we have to turn on this one. After that, we can get some option to proceed further. And as now I have turned on this one, so now I am getting new agent button. After clicking on that button, we can now see that agent builder. So initially I was creating the agent force using this flow, which I have like followed now, and now Salesforce have given Agentforce builder. So using Agentforce builder, we can create Agentforce and manage all those things like sub-agent topics and settings and many more things. Means all of the things related to Agentforce we can manage from the Agentforce builder as well. And so let's create agent. Click on that one, and after clicking on that, it is turning on, means I believe it is Agentforce builder. So now I have successfully navigated on the Agentforce builder. So here what we have, like what do you want to like your agent to do. So basically we like if we have idea what actually we want to do, like sales agent and service agent and marketing agent, right? So we can describe our Agentforce, means our requirement, like a natural language here, and we can proceed with that as well. And also Salesforce have given some template as well. We can select that and proceed with that, right? So for the learning purpose, I am selecting Agentforce service agent template. And also we can now we have to give the Agentforce name, right? So I have giving the Agentforce name, Agentforce service agent. And now it is developer name automatically will be populated, and here we can like select existing user, and also we can create new users with this Agentforce user as well. So I am creating new user for this one, so clicking on next. Let's go. Now it is creating that agent, and also it will take some time. And so now here we can see that our agent for service agent have been created, and here we can see that version 1, and the status is dropped. And here also we have to like we can see that there is the setting sub agent. Sub agent means topics. These are the topics like pre-built topics related to service agent. And also here are variable connections and data for the data library. So let's check one by one. So in the setting sections we have agent details, so where we can see that we have agent force name, developer name, and the description. We can provide the description about this agent, what actually we are going to do with this agent. And like suppose we are creating the case, we are handling the case, so if we are managing the case, so we can provide all those details what actually the agent force have to do. And also in the system there are few more details as well. Here we can provide the agent label instructions, and also welcome message, like when anyone clicking on that agent, anyone turning on the agent, then that message will pop up like, hi, I am an AI service assistant, how can I help you. We can change that one, and all according to our need. That here we can see that the length of the text like which is 800. And also here are error message, like suppose we are performing some actions using the agent force, and it is throwing some error due to some reason, like if there is required field and anything else, there can be any way, any. So here we can customize that error message as well, like sorry, it looks like something has gone wrong. This is the default error message, and if we are controlling, like managing all those error into our flow and apex action, then that error also will be available on the agent force console as well, right? So we can manage all those things here as well. And there is agent force access. So here we can see that agent user record. So this is the user which have we have created once like as we have created agent for service agent, and this is also created one agent force user because we have selected new user. So that, so this is the new user which we have created with the agent force user. And here we can see that the language setting as well, we can change that as well if we are needed. Now as we can see that English is selected, and we can change that according to our requirement. And in the sub agent, this is the most important part, like whatever the like whatever the topics means sub agent. This was initially a topic, and now it is sub agent. What sub agent means, like suppose we have one project and we want to manage many things, like user can create case, user can submit a form from experience cloud side, and also user can know the status of the case. And also there can be multiple actions as well, right? So these are the basically sub agent. What are they actually? Suppose agent want to create, user want to create case, user want to know the case status, and user can complete their case, mean like close that case. So we have three topics, right? So these subtopics are like sub agents. Like if user want to create a case, so there can be different subotic sub agent for that. And if user want to like know the case status, then there will be different sub agent for that. And if agent like user want to like complete that case, then in that scenario there can be different sub agent. And like I am not saying that those basic like basic sub agent will be different, that can be managed into single sub agent as well. I am saying that if you have long process, like suppose we have to send the approval things, right? So what we have to do, we have to get the details, we have to generate the PDF, then we have to take the approval, then we have to send back to that user, right? In that scenario we have complex sub agent, right? Complex requirement. So for that we have to create only one sub agent for that, right? And similarly, like for the different requirement, we have to create different sub agent, because into that sub agent, like if I am clicking on anyone, like any existing one, so here we can see that we have like the details are related to that specific sub agent, and also like off topic escalation. So these are like a pre built sub agent, and general question as well, and delivery issues. And there here we can see that like there are different actions as well. So this is the sub agent, like reservation management, and there are different actions behind that, like finalize reservations and get reservation time slot, and identify customer by email, and answer questions with knowledge, right? So here we can see that like a reservation management into the say into the one sub agent reservation management, there are four different things. Okay, so in this way there will be sub agent, right? Like reservation management similarly can be another sub agent as well. So these are the sub agent, and behind that actions, these are the actions like finalize reservation, get a reservation time slots, and identify customer by email. So this is the most important things like sub agent. And what actions behind that, that will be the actions can be different type, like it can be flow, it can be effects, it can be prompt template, and also it can be like API, like integrated if we have done the integration from the third party, then it can get data, and it can send the data to that third party as well. So Agentforce is capable enough to do that. So in this video, this was the basic things, like how we can create agent, how we like what are the sub agent, what are the actions, what are the descriptions. Like there are some different stages of the Agentforce actions as well. Like we have to give the conditions, and so and we can create our custom sub agent as well. So next video I will create custom sub agent, like and for that I will create actions as well, like the top like sub agent and actions will be there. So we will testing that like using a Salesforce flow.